Hello students, today we are going to solve fourth numerical of previous year GATE question. Question is given as, for a road with camber of 3% and design speed of 80 km per hour, the minimum radius of the curve beyond which no super elevation is needed is. Now we need to find the value of radius of curve beyond which no super elevation is needed. So we know the formula, it will be equals to E equals to V square upon 225R. Now E will be taken as the minimum super elevation, which will be equals to camber of the road, so it will be equals to 3 by 100, and the value of V is given as 80 km per hour, so we will put here 80 square divided by 225R. On solving this, we will get the value of R as 948.14 meter. That will be the minimum radius of the curve, which will be equals to 948.14 meter. That is all about this question. Thank you very much, students.